Hey guys, yeah, I just wanted to let you know about my experience with Frank Keeney's coaching. When I got started, the first thing that I found out was how to increase the responsiveness of my ads with his strategy and the way that he does ads, his video ads. So as soon as I got started, it was like overnight. My ads got much better response, and that really brought my business to a place where it hadn't been before. So I'm very grateful for that, and I definitely recommend that you join his program. You really get live instructions and help from him, and the group is active as well, so I definitely recommend it.